Hi everyone, today we are going to walk through solving the sides of the Rubik's first layer. We'll use the same logic from the first video we went through to solve the top face. As a reminder, the center pieces dictate what color the face needs to be. We'll start with this orange and white edge. Move the piece down and to the side. Return the middle row to the top. Now that the orange and white piece is positioned below its correct location, we'll move the piece to the side, rotate the middle row down, bring back the orange and white piece, and return the middle row to the top. Next, let's move the green and white piece below its correct spot. Repeating the same steps, we'll move the piece to the side, rotate the middle row down, bring back the green and white piece, and return the middle row to the top. Check to ensure all the middle pieces are solved. Next, let's move on to the corner pieces. This corner piece is already solved with orange and green in the correct location. This corner of blue and orange needs to move to the blue and orange corner. We'll rotate it down, move it to the side, locate the blue and orange corner, we'll move the corner piece to the opposite left side, move the right face down, bring back the corner piece, and return the right face. Now we have the red and blue corner. Rotate the bottom corner to the opposite or right side. Bring the left face down, rotate the bottom corner piece back to the left, and return the left side to the top. Last, we have the red and green corner. Locate the red and green corner. Move the corner piece away to the opposite left side. Move the right face down, bring back the corner piece, and return the right face. Easy peasy, the top layer is completed and you're a third of the way to solving the Rubik's Cube.